Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. So I want to use this opportunity to thank God and thank you guys for how far we have come. I'm so grateful. God bless you. So why don't you join me? Let's prepare some lunch: shrimp and beef fried rice. Yes. So to begin with, I prep all my ingredients like I'm doing here. So this recipe was requested by one of you guys, and also I am recreating that of my sister Lavistache recipe, but I'm adding a little twist to mine. So sis, enjoy. This is for you. So here are my ingredients. And of course, I'll be listing all in the description box so you check it out. So just choose any ingredients you want and use, especially the veggies. So I have here chopped and diced garlic and coal. So this is ginger. I have some eggs, shrimp, and seasoned beef with salt and beef seasoning. And I also add some mixed veggies to it. Yes, this is not just any fried rice recipe. This is a luxurious one. Just try it. Yeah. So now I marinate my beef. So I add ginger, all-purpose seasoning, and my mise en place. That's my blended garlic, onion, and shallots. Yeah, and then I set this aside. So I marinate the shrimp too with little salt, ginger, and all-purpose seasoning, and also with my mise en place, and set it aside whilst I cook my rice. So in a pot I have some oil and some onion. So I add 1 tablespoon of curry powder to it because I'm not using any sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, or whatever. So I'll just add my curry, some salt for flavor and color. Yes. So I add my rice. This is about 3 cups of rice. Stir gradually for it to incorporate well into the curry. Then I add 3 cups of water to it because I want my rice to be singled out, not too sticky. Sticky rice is not good for fried rice. So now I set it on a low to medium heat and cook this rice for like about 15 to 20 minutes. And ta-da! Just look at our colorful singled out rice ready for our fried rice recipe. So I'll just put this aside and allow it to cool down a bit. So to begin with my stir fry, in my wok I add some olive oil. This about 4 tablespoons. Then into it is my marinated beef. So I stir gently and allow this to cook very well for the meat to be soft and tender. Just look at how juicy it is. Just look at that. Well seasoned, sweet. Tastes great. So I dish it out and then set it aside and do same with my shrimp. The aroma here, oh my goodness, friends and family, you need to be here. So our shrimp is doing great at this moment. So I dish it and set it aside. Now I scrambled these beautiful eggs, although it tried to burn, but hey, it was all good. I think my wok was too hot. It was overly hot. So now the main business, yeah, that's my fried rice is beginning. So in the same wok, I add my olive oil, my chopped onions, garlic, and my ginger. Yeah, ginger does the magic. Please, anytime you are preparing some fried rice, add some grated ginger to it, and you're gonna love it. So after just 2 minutes, I just add my colorful carrots, yes, to it. I don't want my veggies to be overcooked. Yeah, because this is a special fried rice, hey, fried rice, fried rice. Please, who is joining me to sing in the comment section? Yes, I add my white bits of the scallions and my green bell pepper, just a little. Then I add more veggies to it. Yeah, this is a luxurious fried rice recipe with enough veggies. Just look at how beautiful and radiant the colors are. Oh my god, thank you so much for the beautiful colors of fruits and veggies. So at this point, I add my rice bit by bit, and then I stir gradually for it to incorporate into each other. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. This is calling them already. My people are here ready to enjoy their lunch. Just look at this. So now I'll be adding my eggs, my meat, my scallions, and my shrimp to it. Then I taste for salt. If it's okay, then we go. If not, you just add a little salt or stock cube to it, which is optional. But after tasting, I added a little salt. So the scallions is the last veggie I'm adding to it because I don't want it to overcook. So once I add it to it, I just put off the fire. And look at that. Wouldn't you love to try this Father's Day for your husband, your daddy, your brother? Oh my goodness. Yes, so for friends and family, just try this simple recipe for the family to enjoy this goodness. I love you guys for your support so far. God bless you. And you who is giving me a thumbs up, this is for you. I am serving you. So God bless you guys and catch you in our next video. Remember, God first, family second, business third. Bye bye.